I have some basic questions about my audio controls. First question, how do I go from FM to AM?
Well, that's a simple one. Just reach the button underneath where it says AM, press and release, and now you're AM station. If you want to go back to FM, just press and release the button where it says FM.
That's simple enough. So let's say there's a station that I really love. How do I preset that station?
Well, once that station is actually locked in, go ahead and press the button underneath any of these numbers here that you want to store it at. Let's say number 3. Press and hold until the station is stored, and you're all set.
That's pretty simple too. Now I heard about this really cool feature called Auto Store. Tell me about that.
Well, that's a great feature. Let's say you're driving along on the interstate going from state to state. And you know how, like, when you go crossing over a border, all of a sudden you lost all the stations you just stored? Well, AutoStore will automatically find these stations wherever you are. Simply press the FM button until it says A1 through A6. Press and hold the FM button until AutoStore shows on the screen. Now your Mini is searching for the strongest radio stations in the nearest area. And it'll automatically store them in these presets A1 through A6.
That is pretty cool. Okay, one last question. Let's say I'm done with the radio and I want to play the CD that's already in the car. How do I do that?
Simple. Go to the audio menu by pressing the audio button. Turn this knob right here until it says CD. Press it, and now in your CD menu. If you want to go back to your radio, just go ahead and press audio again. Turn over to tuner, push the button, and now you're back in your radio menu. And those are your basic radio controls.